We have got a package from my friend Mark. We are going to open it now. He said to open it from the sides, so I'm going to be very careful. Hopefully, oh boy, not cut anything important. I'm really holding this wrong. Hoping. Give me a second. We're gonna boop. Go this way with it. I think. I might just be able to tear it open. Have to be careful not to cut the top, but I think I'll be fine to do so. As long as I hold it up. Put this over here. Kind of see what's going on here. And I understand why he did not want me to cut it across the top. Now. Alright. Woo! Let me show what's in the box, guys. Alright. First up, got a spring kit. I'm not sure, but springs are springs, which is good. Got all kinds of wheels, which I guess I'll pull out all these wheels. We got some Proline Street Fighters, which I think will look really cool on the Drag Jado once I blow out these wheels, which you can kind of see. You start seeing the tread underneath there. So that'll be awesome. And I even got front wheels. We're gonna take this guy out of here for a second. More wheels. Are these the same width? I think they are. I think they're all the same width. Maybe I'll put these on the old Anaconda rims. That might work. I don't know. We'll see. They are really cool looking tires. Again, more tires. Let's pull out the first little guy I see here. It is a... I want to say it's a point... It says 07, so I imagine it's a 0.7 engine. Which is cool. Put this guy up with the other engines for now. Up there. Let's take a look at this guy. Which appears to be a 1/16th scale or 1/24th scale, like Exceed car, which is really cool. Pull it out of the packaging here. Oh boy, give me a second. I'm gonna put the phone down again. Okay, so this guy's cute. I mean, that's really kind of cool. It's like a much smaller version of what my wife's car is. But that guy in there has a rear-facing exhaust. I think that exhaust is upside down. But that is cool. I'm not sure what Mark said was wrong with this, other than I think he said he just couldn't get it running. But I will get that all back together. Here is the pipe that comes with it. So that's cool. I know you guys see the big old car in here next, but let's get all these, I think these are wheels for this guy. Wheels. More tires. Which are cool. Lots of tires and foam inserts. I think the foam inserts are for the, Street Fighters. This right here is what I'm really most excited about. Oh boy. So that's the tank for this guy. That is cute. This is the tank for this guy. This is another Exceed RC, I believe. Which, oh my god, this thing is heavy. I got some wheel nuts and stuff in the back of the box I don't want to lose. I'm gonna put this down, get the box cleared out, and bring it back. Alright, check this thing out. This guy is heavy. And it's also really kind of long. I wonder how long this is compared to the Kyosho. Give me a second. Put that guy there. Let's grab the Kyosho down. Oh boy. I guess they are about the same. Which is cool. The Kyosho back out of here. We can talk about this guy. So... I know he told me what it was, but I'll have to look it up again. You got a 21C engine in here. 21C. I don't know why I said that. EX. So it's Exceed brand RC. Compression test. Compression is good. He did say it was new. New-ish. He said he ran all of like 5 seconds to see if it would start. But we got some insane rust going on, which can be fixed. I can sand that down easy. It's pretty cool. That's all that was in this box. I do know there's another box coming, but I am excited to get this guy all up and running. Set the suspension up, maybe more. That guy is heavy. It's got some really nice metal braces in here too. I don't think this thing's gonna break all that easy. It does seem to be missing a couple parts though. But a few parts here and there. I mean, we need mud guards, bumper, wing, servos, whatever these lids are. Not a big problem. He's got this massive filter. I think this is one of those motor saver filters, which is insane. Everything looks cool. That was the first box I got. Not bad. Tires. 2 RCs. Nice. We got another box from Mark. Box number 2. And we got paints today, so I'm hopefully painting that soon. I'll get you, I'll bring you guys back when I get this open. Alright, so first off, looks like we have a, another red cat. Much like my wife's. The plan is I'm gonna give her probably the blue stuff, and I will take her black stuff. Because she really likes blue, and she will love this blue top plate. And then I'll take the parts from the other car, and we will build an entirely separate vehicle. Not sure how I like these wheels, but I'll figure it out. That's nice. Bam. Up there she goes. I think we got a purple chassis to go with that, actually. Make sure there's nothing in this. Nothing in that. What else is in the box? We got a cover, a rod end, and that's it. That is nice. So I am sure we will be using all of this stuff. Cover those up on there. Nice. So that's what was in this package. Cool. So 3 cars in total. Nice. Paint is in, so now I want to take all the body panels off the cage and we're going to paint it. All the panels off. Poof. Bada poof poof. Got everything in here. I'm going to get it all painted up. I'm going to put on gloves. Be back.
see it ended up black. I didn't use enough coats of red. I guess you're not supposed to use black backer with this. Do your research first. I'm stupid. It is black, but that's okay. That's the whole reason I did body panels with this card, because I want to try out different things. I want to learn. But that totally did not end up how I wanted it to. It still looks kind of dope. Kind of looks like a cow, to be honest. That's chrome. I don't know how well you can see this, but you can see where I scratched the Lexans with the paint with Tech. You can see it in the chrome. So I might not use it as an abrasive scratch pad, or even a scratch pad at all next time when I paint these, because the chrome, you can see the scratches. Which is something I didn't know when I did the bumper on that car. What fucked the chrome up on that was super glue. So let's put it on the roll cage and see how it looks. You know, even for a mess up in black, it still looks really, really cool. That's when you stand far away. So I really feel like there's different things we can change. Bonnie being in the frame, one of them. Come on, bro, get down. Come on, bro. But I think for my next run, first off, it'll be red next time, not black. I don't think I want to use the body post. I think I want to take the body post off and hard mount it, and probably cut the front hood like right here, because this just kind of looks goofy to me. Like, I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Like, there's a big old gap. Kind of looks goofy. Either cut this and plate here, or just no plate there at all. Also, it looks like it really needs like a front bumper that's bigger. Like, this is a buggy bumper that just, I can literally slide in between. And it kind of makes it, you know, look better. It looks dumb, but you get what I'm saying. It needs a front bumper. Ah, boy.